All right, guys, I'm going to be doing these videos. I hope they're helpful. If I'm going too fast in these, just know you can slow the video down. I believe there should be a settings, like if you scroll down here with your mouse, there should come up a settings, kind of like a wheel looking thing that you can click on, and then if you choose, I want to say it says speed or video speed, something like that, click on that and then you can reduce the speed of the video. Otherwise, what you may want to do is just pause the video here and there, or you may have to replay some parts. So I apologize if I go too fast on this. I'm just trying to get through as many problems as I can so you guys have as many resources as possible before you do the quiz and before we get to that midterm. So good luck studying on those. Let's go ahead and take a look at 6. So these were in-class examples, and this one specifically was from 2.4, I believe. Let's go ahead and solve this one. All right, the first thing we're going to want to do is isolate that absolute value. Not necessarily the x, but the absolute value. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. That gives us a -4 absolute value of x. And this is going to equal then -6 minus 6 is a -12. From here, so this is -4 times that absolute value. We need to get rid of that -4 by dividing by -4. That gives us the absolute value of x equals 3. And this is okay. What we need to do now, so the absolute value asks really how far away a number is from 0. So in other words, in this case, we're looking at 3. So what numbers are 3 away from 0? Well, on a number line, if we looked at this, would have 0, 1, 2, 3 that's an obvious choice. The problem is that if we go in the other direction, we'll also be 3 away, but the value of that is a -3. So the solution for this one, or solutions, are 3, but also a -3. Now, keep in mind, because this is an error that a lot of people make, okay? So a lot of people say, well, it's clearly just the positive and the negative value of this. No, that is not the case. The reason it is the case in this situation is because it's just an x inside the absolute value. If it wasn't, then we would get differing positive and negative values there, okay? In fact, sometimes you may get 2 positive values or 2 negatives. That's okay. Just understand that it's not just 3 and then it's opposite, okay?